Where are we going?
JoJo's Slime.
We're going.
JoJo's Slime Kit.
We're gonna go get JoJo's slime kit.
JoJo's Slime Kit.
We're here to get JoJo's slime.
Oh, we hold JoJo's Slime JoJo's Slime.
Okay, let's go in. Come on, let's go in. Let me see that. You want that too?
Who's this?
I don't know, it's a one-eyed creature. Come on. You're going the wrong way.
Hey, Mama.
What?
Who's this?
Graduation. Something your sister should do. Come on. What is that? Poop? Dinosaur poop? It probably needs batteries. What do you want to get? Because we can't find the JoJo slime kit. We can't find it. I can't find it anywhere. There's some. Do you want to get a different slime kit?
Yeah.
Okay. You want that and this? Here's the slime. What slime do you want? You want a slime kit? Which one?
Hey, you want that off.
I don't want to wear this on.
Why?
Look, you want this? Because look, it doesn't even fit. It's not my size. You want this slime kit right here? I don't know who these are. You want these slime kit? That's like older kits. Jett, what do we have to do? We have to pay?
What has that?
You do have that. Come on. We'll let him give me something, but he's gonna pay with it. Oh, he has the tag. Where's the tag? What'd you do with it?
I don't know.
Oh, here it is. You stuck it in my purse.
Yeah.
Tell them what you did to it. What did you do to that?
I can't argue.
Yep, you took it off, bad boy.
That's okay. As long as we still have it, it's all good.
Yeah.
Give him the helmet.
Oh, I got two.
See what card you're gonna pay with. Hurry, honey. They're waiting for you.
Stop. Here goes. Here goes.
Thank you.
One.
You're gonna hold it?
Yeah.
Is your hat falling off there? Back. Come on, this way. Nope, there's too many cars. Wait. Hold. Come right here so we can get in the car.